Your angels are here to allow you to savor the moment as it is. You won't be able to move on if you are constantly thinking about your past. You would feel anxious if you were to continually thinking about your future. It's essential to live life to the fullest by leading a successful and fulfilling existence. Simply enjoy the presence of your real friends and family. Respect and appreciation for those around you should be shown regardless of their position in life. Recognize that God sees no difference between you and others. Start by being trustworthy within yourself, as the universe is watching to see exactly what you projected into the universe. What you reflect about yourself to those around you will influence them. To become the person you want to be, you must get yourself together. Be brave and trust your gut. The universe is favoring and planning everything that goes well for you and presents no obstacles. Something that is meant to happen for you has already been planned by the divine. Possess the assurance that you will soon begin the professional career of your dreams. A satisfying life filled with a steady flow of money for you, your family, and the charities you've chosen to support in the future. Never be hesitant to pick up new skills if you are thinking about it. Recognize that we are all brilliant people who only need to discover their areas of strength. Even though it might take a lot of practice, anyone who is dedicated can learn it quickly. With your own abilities and diligence, the universe is assisting you in becoming stable and wealthy. Your angels also want you to keep in mind that, once you succeed, you should use your success to bless others by spreading your wealth. To achieve prosperity, put your creativity, effort, and positivity to use. Each step of the journey is being directed for you. You are so richly blessed by God that your community will benefit greatly from you. You are being shown by the universe what this world needs. With your great help of your community, your surroundings, and the animals that live on this planet may be affected by your great help, which is a great and truly positive work coming from you. Make yourself the person who is remembered. Your generosity will always save many lives. Believe in yourself and your ability to positively influence others. The world needs like you and is better when people like you exist in it.